Hello students, Standard 6th English Medium. We finished 6th chapter. So now I think you need some practice for the all previous chapters. So for the revision, I'm going to start the revision for chapter number 1. We know that in chapter number 1, we learn about the bigger numbers, like introducing the 10,000, lakh, 10 lakhs, and more. Then we also learn how to write down them using the placement box according to their place and place value. Then we can arrange them in the ascending order, descending order. We'll learn how to read the big numbers, write down them in the digits or the number name and the expanded form. Also we learn the use of commas both ways, international system and Indian system. In Indian system of numeration, we use the commas in ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. But commas are used to mark thousands, lakhs, and crore. But in international system, we use different way. Commas are used to mark thousands and millions. So, we put the commas different way. In Indian system, we start from the rightmost digit. First we put comma after 1, 2 and 3 digit, and then after every second digit. But in international, every 3 digits there is comma starting from the rightmost digit. Then we learn about the conversion, like millimeter to centimeter, centimeter to meter, and kilometer, and gram, kilogram, milligram, etc. Also, we learn how to add them, subtract them. Then we learn the rounding of up to nearest tens, up to nearest hundreds, up to nearest thousands. And we learn using brackets, opening brackets. And at last, we also learn about the Roman numerals. So now, we are going to revise everything so that you can have the practice. So let's start some examples. Solve the following. So now, number 1, write the greatest 7-digit number using digits 3, 5, 2, 6, 8. Now we have to write down the 7-digit number, and then we need we are given only 5 digits. It means that one digit we can use more times. So if you want greatest, then which greater number is there? 8. So we can start from 8. We can repeat it 3 times so that we can have the 7-digit number. Then 6, 5, 3, 2. So here, when there are only less digits are given and more digit number we have to write down. So here only 5 digits are given, so the whatever is the largest digit we use 3 times. So we can write down that answer like that. Second, write the number name. Write the number name of 5, 0, 4, 0, 3, 5, 0, 7. Now here you know the places and place values. Starting from here, unit digit tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. So it is starting from crore. So 5 crore. Now 10 lakh is not there also, so only 4 lakh. 4 lakh. 10,000 is also not, that is 3,000. 507. So 5 crore. If there is a other digit, you can write down 24 lakhs or whatever is there. But here is only 4, so 4 lakh 3,507. Third one. Write in figures. And that we will write down like 5 crore, let's take another one, 7 crore, 6 lakh, 7,000, 907. 907. So there is 7 crore. Then only 6 lakh. So we have to put 06. If it was in 2 digit, you could write down 06 in place of that one. But here 06. 7,000. Here also in 10,000 there is nothing. So 07 and 907. So 907. Next, what is the place value of 7 in the number 3, 25 375 52 403. So here, where is the 7? Which place is it? So we know that units, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So place value of 7 is equal to 7 lakh, 70 lakh. And I hope you remember when I explained in the chapter that whenever you have to write down the place value, just check that after that number how many other digits are there. After 7 how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that much zeros you have to add. Nothing to think more about it. Whatever is number there, that much zeros should be placed after that number. So here after 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and you write down your answer. 5. How many grams make 25 kilograms? How many grams make 25 kilogram? So now you should know the conversion, that 1 kilogram means 1000 gram makes 1 kilogram. So how many grams we'll need for 25 kilograms? Of course you have to multiply by 25, means 25,000 gram will make 25 gram. So answer is that 25,000 gram make 25 kilograms. Sixth, how many centimeters is 7 meter 25 centimeter? So now 7 meter plus 25 centimeter. We know that 1 meter is 100 centimeter. So 7 meter means 700 centimeter plus another 25 centimeter. So answer is 725 centimeter. Seventh one. How many liters is 5000 milliliter? Very simple. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. So 1000 milliliter makes 1 liter. So 5000 milliliter will make 5 liters. So you can write down the answer, 5 liters. Now next, write the numbers in descending order. The numbers are 6, 5, 7, 9, 3, 7, 1. 35, 82, 5, 27. 95, 312. And 79, 21, 5, 20. So now generally, first of all we have to check the number of digits of all the numbers. Then probably you will find the smallest number from that. Now here we are going to write down descending order. Descending order means from greater to smaller. Generally, sometimes what students do now, that they will see only the first digit. 6, 3, 9. Yeah, 9 is there. So it will be the biggest number. Then they don't see again. But first of all, you have to count the number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's separate them like that, then we know that there are separate numbers, otherwise confusion. So now this is the 7-digit number, this is 7-digit number, this is also 7-digit number, but this is only 5-digit number. So we know that the 5-digit number will be the smallest one, so that one will go at the last. Now all the others are 7-digit numbers, so now we can start with the first digit. So here you can see that 6 here, here it is 9, 6, here 3 and here 7. So which is the largest? Obviously 7. So we can write down like 79, 21, 520, then 6th one. 65, 79, 371, and then this one, and at last this 4-digit number, 5-digit number, 95, 312. So when there are number of digits different, then it is little easier. So be careful, first you check the same digits are there or different. Let's take another one like ascending order. Now, in ascending order, 3, 72, 5, 3, 9. 3, 72, 3, 5, 9. 3, 72, 9, 5, 3. 3, 72, 7, 5, 9. Now here you can see that all are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All are 6-digit number. So then we can start from the first digit. 3, 3, 3, 3, same. Then go to the second digit. 7, 7, 7, 72, 72, 72, 72. So we have to go next digit. So now next digit are not equal. So we have to write down in the ascending the smallest one. So here it is 5, 3, 9 and 7. So 3 1 will be the smallest one. So 3, 72, 359. Then after 3, it comes 5. So 3, 72, 539. After 5, 7 and then last 9. So 372 759 and lastly 372 953. So if the number of digits are same, you have to start from the leftmost digit. If they are also equal, go for the next and next and next and next until the different digits are there, and then easily you can write down. So here we are going to finish the session. Will be followed in the PDF. Maybe some more for your practice also. Thank you very much.